Okay, I'm just going to make another quick video. This is basically common sense. So much people asking me is what's the proof, what's going on here. But anyway, we've got my house here. Okay, 12 o'clock the sun is in front of the house. 6 o'clock in the morning the sun is about 20 degrees behind the house. And then in the evening 5 o'clock the sun is about 20 degrees behind the house. This only happens between December and January, when you can actually see this in the southern hemisphere. Okay, got the South Pole. So what this is actually doing, it is going like this. So we down here in South Africa, the proof is that it shows that the sun is actually coming from the south and going in through the front of the house and going back to the south. Most other maps wants to prove that the sun is coming from the north and then going back to the north. But in reality, this is not what's happening. The sun is clearly coming from the south, going to the, and then going to the north and then going back to the south. I'm just going to quickly go out, show you the house, shadows, and then 1 or 2 GPS coordinates and so forth. It's just 1 o'clock or so. If you look at the house, you can see clearly from the shadow. Sun is currently in front of the house. Okay, this house is very much true north. If I go around the house, see those trees in the back, 20 degrees, the sun comes up on that side. I'll show you some information now. If I go to the other side of the house, just past 12 now, you can see the shadows are very much, sun is high, but clearly the sun is north. I mean, look at the tree, the sun is north. Okay, the shadow. Going around the house, see the treetop there? The sun is setting on that treetop, way back behind the house. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to quickly go out here, going to Google, just show you my location. Okay. That's my location in Google. Okay. If I go in, this is basically north, and if I go out of Google, you can clearly see I'm in South Africa, south of Johannesburg. Okay, going out there. That's my position south of Johannesburg. So technically the sun should always be from the north, but it's not. This time of the year the sun comes from the south. Now a lot of people said it's perspective. Now that is clearly just horse manure. It's impossible. But anyway, let it be. Now I'm quickly going to show the gallery screenshots. Okay, there's the sun setting on the treetop. Okay, I'll show you better photos. That's the house. There. See the shadows? The sun is going behind the house. Okay, look at the big shadow in front of the house. There you can see the sun in the evenings going behind the house. Okay, clearly. The morning it's the opposite. Okay. This is the morning. There's the sun at the back of the house. There you can see the sun comes from the back of the house. So, and that's 12 o'clock. Very, very much true north. So what we're proving, what we are saying, is that this is more true. Okay? This is a globe. This is more true. The sun comes from the south. You can see at the bottom here at A6. Move all the way north and then go back to the south again. So this app shows the movement of the sun much more correctly. But at the bottom line is that when you look at this type of map, it doesn't work. Okay, it does not complement the fact that the sun is circulating the South Pole. It's curving around the South Pole January and December from the southern hemisphere. People in the northern hemisphere cannot see this. I don't think they can actually pick it up. My observation is that we can only see this during the time of December, January, when the sun is turning. These lines you can all see. Look at South Africa. They all come from the north. They all circulate in the North Pole. So this map can only be drawn by somebody that's in the northern hemisphere. Anybody that's from the southern hemisphere will not draw a map like this. They would almost flip it around. They would almost want the southern pole to be in the center and